Good morning. This is Ken from Tortoise Capital with a review of the daily chat room. We're going to do a little debriefing on a number of case studies. Here's one. We have a turbo trade in support of the Apple swing trade. So this is Apple. This is 1 minute. This is the open. Here's the river. Open here. This was the close, the red line. Small gap up. Quick morning hook. About 15 minutes into it. We have a hybrid frog move off the bottom, go long, stop is down here, basically using the 90 and the Bollinger Band mean to take the exit here. That 2 or 3 are on this one. It decays into a sideways quiet channel in here. We actually get an owl move. We have the unambiguous move down. That's 1. RLCO outside the river is 2. 10 crosses the dragon, 3. The slope of the 30 is up, 4. Dragon is up, 5. There's the pocket, and this thing continues forward, looking for a move up here to 116, especially after this nice move, and basically coming up to retest the swing high. So that's the Apple trade, getting us well started during the day. This is a chain series on Pfizer. Here's the open. There's the unambiguous move down. We were looking at win, so I didn't get this hybrid frog. But we get a move down here to Z minus 3. RL10 rolls up. So this is the unambiguous move. That's condition 1. RLCO outside the river is 2. Crosses, the 10 crosses the dragon, 3. The 30 has rolled up. The dragon has rolled up. There's the pocket. Our stop is down here. Makes the nice run. There's the RLCO outside the river. Here's the RL10 crossing the dragon. That's the trade. Maybe an R and a half in that one. This is a stop and reverse now, a pocket trade. Target is down to the RL 270. And then also down to the bottom of the dragon. So we get short here. Our stop is here. We get nice move. This is where I add a second position as it fails through the VWAP. Don't try this at home, kids. That's not 2R in hand with momentum, but it seemed like the right thing to do at the time. So we get 2 scoops on this, and we're adjusting the stop now to the edge of the river, to the Bollinger Band mean. All the way down and cashing everything here. This is an owl trade here. There's the unambiguous move down. RLCO outside the river. RL10 crosses the river. 30 is sloping up. Dragon is sloping up. Buying it in the pocket. Cash. We get a rollover in the 30 here. So this is not a chance to go long because the 30 is already sloping down. So we buy or we sell this pocket right here with a stop here. Cash the rebound. I was slow on this one. This exceeded Z3. So we cover a fractional win here. The river is still sloping down, so we're waiting for this to fail. The RLCO happens outside the river, but it doesn't even get to the Bollinger Band mean. It just rolls over, and there's the pocket trade to the south side. We cash a fractional loss here. It rolls over again after finding resistance at the Bollinger Band mean, and we're getting short on this one again. If it fails through these 2 support levels, the hump of this dragon and the hump of that dragon, that would make a new low of the day. So I like this short here. I can get to no lose plus dinner for 2, and then if this fails further, this is where I'll add a second position, and it'll be Katie bar to the door to the south. That's what the setup looks like as we try to get postured with a low risk idea. Here's a chain trading in AXP. There's the unambiguous move down. We were trading win on this, so I didn't get this move, but we get the unambiguous move down. That's 1. RLCO outside the river, 2. The 30 has rolled up. The dragon has rolled up, 3 and 4, and the RL10 has crossed the river. Get the pocket trade here, long with the stop here, and then basically just play the 90 as the stopper. You could also play the Z1. I wouldn't be offended if you took a profit here on the RL10, testing the edge of the dragon. We were able to stay in it, fortunately, and exited at the VWAP. Try this one now. We have an owl trade here. There's the unambiguous move, RLCO. 10 crosses the dragon. Dragon slipping down. The 30 is rolled over. We get a fractional on this short. Here's the pocket trade coming the other way. That's another owl, unambiguous move. RLCO outside the river. RL10 crosses the dragon. 30. RL30 and the dragon are both up. There's the pocket. Here's the second position once we clear this swing high here in the RL10 and put our stop in here with a target of here. This actually rolled over and kicked us out here a few minutes later, but I like getting that second position in and then getting it to no lose and dinner for two quickly. Chain trade in AXP. Here is a sideways quiet channel and a rollover condition here. You can see the Z3 pinch. So here's the unambiguous move. That's 1. RLCO outside the river is 2. RL10 cross the dragon 3. The 30 and the dragon both sloping down 4 and 5. There's our entry. Our stop would be at the Z2 line. You can ride this down on the Bollinger Band mean. Here's an RLX10, an RLXD crossover exit. Here's where it fails in the pocket. Short again, covering at the next RLXD. Now we have an owl coming this way. Here's the unambiguous move is 1. RLCO outside the river is 2. Right here, excuse me. 3. RL10 has crossed the river. 4 and 5, the dragon and the 30 are both rolling up. Here's the pocket. There's the cash. Here's one of our fellow traders. This was in SPY. He's trading this one as an owl pattern here. This turned out to be a scratch, but there's the unambiguous move. Here's the RLCO outside the river for 2. RL10 crosses the river 3. The 30 and the dragon are both rolling up. He buys this pocket. Stop is here. Scratch is here. I don't have any objection to that. Here's a pocket re-entry. Cash is here at the RLXD for a quarter of an hour. Very well executed during the middle of the day. Here's one, Pfizer. And I think he got the same trade as I did. This is what it looked like in his chart. Unambiguous move is 1. RLXD outside the river is 2. RL10 crosses the dragon is 3. The 30 has rolled up. The dragon is shaping up. He buys it. The stop is here. Raises his stop here to get to no lose for plus dinner for 2. And right here he strikes as the RL10 re-enters the dragon, is getting ready to roll over. And so he gets 0.7R. Absolutely perfectly executed. Well done. So that's a quick look at pattern trading, chain trading. The owl pattern was all over the place in our leading candidates today. So Ken Law from Tortoise Capital with a look at our intraday day trading debriefing. Thanks for your kind attention. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.